Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and this month I have our BoxyCharm by Ipsy box. So I haven't opened it yet, but I did pre-cut it so that I could open it easily. And let's see what we've got inside this month. And we'll just grab what we see first. And actually I'll just move this out of the way and we'll grab little by little. I think that's a little easier. All right, let's start with this. What do we got? Ooh, we've got Iconic London. Let's see, what do we got? Iconic London. We got the Iconic London. This is the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Well, that sounds all right, doesn't it? All right, let's take off the slip cover. Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I am actually into this color story. This looks, ooh, I love it. We got a great mixture of neutrals and brights, shimmers, and do we got some mattes? Yeah, we got some mattes. This looks really lovely. Ooh, I love that color story. So we got the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette from Iconic London. Love it. All right, let's see what we got next. Then we've got Dominique Smooth and Blur Setting Powder. Smooth and Blur Setting Powder. Beauty inside and out. I don't know about you, but I always need mascara and I always need setting powders. So this works for me. I don't think I've had anything from Dominique Cosmetics in a while. And it's got, of course, it's got the protective sifter sticker on there. So we'll keep that on there for now. But yay, setting powder. I definitely need that. So right now I'm opening up the BoxyCharm by Ipsy box. And this does give you 5 full-size items. So next we have Persona. What do we got from Persona? We got Super Blush. Ooh. This is in the shade Caramel. Love it. Do we got any of the people out there that say caramel? I think I tend to say caramel more than I say caramel. All right, so let's see what we've got in here. We got the blush. What does the blush look like? This looks like, I have to admit, when I think of the color caramel or caramel or caramel, this is not the shade I think of, but this is lovely. I do like this shade, actually. Not quite what I think of. On camera, it might be reading a bit darker, but this is more of a mauve rose, a dark mauve rose. But on camera, it might be reading more brown, which is interesting. But yeah, so they called this shade Caramel from Persona. Let's see, we got 2 more items. What's this? Ooh, Lovecraft Beauty makes an appearance. This is the Dark Dimension Dual Tip Liquid Liner. Well, this sounds right up my alley. I said I always need mascara and setting powder, but I also always need liquid eyeliner. So I could definitely get good use out of this, I'm sure. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, love the packaging. Love it. Let's take a look at the ends. All right, we got our thicker tip here, and we'll go ahead and draw a line. Opaque in one swipe, that's what we like to see. And it looks like it probably dries down to a shiny finish. Very nice. And here's the other side. And here's our fine tip. But if you're heavy-handed like me, your thick tip and your thin tip might look about the same when you swipe them. I can get good use out of this. Okay, I'm excited about that. Lovecraft Beauty, Dark Dimension Dual Tip Liquid Liner. All right, we got 1 more item. This is by Frank Body. Ooh, Coconut Coffee Scrub Exfoliator for smooth glowing skin. You know, I've seen this so many times at my local Ulta, and I have never tried it. This actually looks, ooh, quite amazing. Ooh, and it's tested on babes, not bunnies. We like that. No PEGs or parabens. Ooh. Wow, we have an ass straight up on the package. They're not playing. We got bras, we got asses, we got babes and bunnies. Love it. All right, cool. Okay, I'm digging this month's box. So, we've got the Frank body, we got the coconut coffee scrub, we got the Lovecraft Beauty. This is the double-ended liner. This is the Dark Dimension dual tip liner. I'm into that. That's cool. Good stuff. We got the Persona Super Blush. Yes, we do. We've got the Dominique Smooth and Blur setting powder. We could always use setting powder, right? Works for me. And then we got the iconic, whoops, sorry, technical issues over here. And then we got the iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. So this is a great box this month. We got, this one's full on makeup. It's all makeup. And then we got one body care item this month. I love it. I'm totally digging this. Really happy with this month's box. I think this is a great value. All right, that's it. Thank you so much, Ipsy and BoxyCharm, for gifting me this month's box. And that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video.